Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Facebook Messenger and navigating directly to the secret conversation you want to secure. Make sure your app is updated and you have access to your current encryption passphrase or recovery option. Otherwise, you may need account verification. Once in the chat, tap the contact name, then select Secret Conversation or Encryption options. You are now ready to change the end-to-end encryption password. Follow prompts closely because these settings protect message content and key exchange between devices. Next, choose Change Passphrase or Manage Keys within the encryption menu. This initiates the key rotation process. Enter your current passphrase to authorize the change, then type a new, memorable but strong passphrase twice so you avoid typos. Make sure your contact also verifies their device when prompted to complete the key exchange. Without verification, messages may not decrypt correctly. Once done, the app will re-encrypt recent messages with the new key and update stored keys on verified devices. To finalize, confirm both participants see the updated key fingerprint or confirmation notice. This ensures future messages are encrypted to the new key. If messages fail to decrypt, re-verify each device and repeat the key exchange, or restore keys from a verified backup if available. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in to force resynchronization. One key troubleshooting tip: if you lose the passphrase, use account verification and any trusted recovery option immediately to avoid permanent message loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.